Okay. All right. So among the advantages, the development of a formal specification provides insights into and an understanding of the software requirements and specification, and software design. Because definitely the specification is talking about the system itself, okay? Okay, that's one advantage. And then also formal may be analyzed using mathematical methods. Okay. Direct work and they adapt, mathematical methods. Definitely, it will not, if it's giving you y and then it's y. Okay. Okay. Formal specifications may be automatically processed. That's another advantage. Okay, then just for the conclusion here, or let me share my screen once again. Formal methods conclusion. Formal specification and checking of definitely. And formal verification is only likely to be used for very small critical system components. That's why the disadvantage is there about scale up. Okay, scale up. When the system becomes big and complicated, then the expense is going to really go very high for formal verification. Okay, that's why here they conclude that formal verification is only likely to be used for very small critical system components. Okay, right. Now those are formal. If you want us to always follow, okay, those are the formal verification under critical system validation. Those are the formal verification methods under the static analysis. Under the static analysis formal verification. Now, they introduced because after this they talked about safety reviews. Okay, now safety reviews, safety reviews, safety proofs, safety cases, hazard-driven analysis, all those are under software, sorry, all those are under safety assurance. Yes, they're all under safety assurance. Okay. Okay. Because here we have, where is it? Yes, we have here safety assurance. Okay. So what I was talking about was under reliability validation. Okay. Assurance. These are all within critical systems validation. Okay. Because to be used by a customer, he also has to be sure about its safety. Okay, so that's why here there's also safety assurance, and safety assurance is the one where you have safety reviews, safety proofs, and the like. Okay, that we're going to come across. Okay, and also this is also commented about. Which pages talk about it here? Okay, if you check within the textbook, you'll see. Okay, on page 17, we talk about safety assurance processes and even safety certification, which is not mentioned in on this that are under safety assurance processes. Okay. Okay, so please just take a note of that. It's very important for you to check in the textbooks as well. Very, very important. at all stages in software development process. Okay, this is now still under safety assurance. That specific safety assurance activities should be included at all process. Okay, these safety assurance activities and the person or the people responsible for this analysis. Okay, please note that even the person or the people responsible safety assurance activities that are incorporated into software processes may include the following. The ones which I've mentioned, they may include hazard logging and monitoring or hazard analysis, safety reviews, safety certification. Okay, hazard driven analysis, and the system safety case. Okay, safety cases also safety. Okay, although for these ones I'm going to comment. I'll comment about them more later. The time, let me just try to talk about them quickly. Safety reviews. Okay, they are used. Okay, so they are reviews for correct intended functions, reviews for maintaining algorithms and data structure design against specification. Structure design, reviews for adequacy of the system testing. When these reviews are being done, you can remember they are done throughout the whole development process. So then when they talk about the review guidance here, they're talking about those, what you're going to follow. Make software as simple as possible. Use simple techniques for software development, avoiding error-prone constructs, okay? Such as pointers. There are various variables whose value you have to avoid. Okay. Just to make less errors, okay? Calling a function from itself. There's some of those may be more error prone, okay? So better maybe to avoid them. But it may just be better just to avoid them, okay? Use information hiding to localize the effect of any data corruption and make appropriate use of fault-tolerant techniques, but do not be seduced into thinking that fault-tolerant software is necessarily safe. Okay, so those are just the guidance as you make these reviews. Okay, as you make these effective safety assurance relies on hazard identification. Okay, and safety can be assured by hazard avoidance, accident avoidance, and protection systems. Okay. Safety review should demonstrate that one or more of these techniques have been applied to all identified hazards. Okay, so hazard driven analysis, those are all, remember, those are all under the activities in safety assurance. Okay. There are also safety assurance activities. Okay. Hazard analysis, safety reviews, safety certification. I think I didn't see it being mentioned here. Safety. Okay, but you see it in the textbook which where I've referred you. This is where the safety of critical components is formally certified, and it involves a group of external to the system development team or component should be considered to be safe before it's made available. Okay, so mentioned there, the system safety data, this one particularly safety assurance. Okay, we've talked about the formal methods. Just talked about it in a different order to make it more understandable, because before that it might have really looked a bit abstract. Okay, safety proofs. Safety proofs are intended to show that you cannot reach in an unsafe state. Safety proofs, I will also comment about them later. Okay, safety proofs. They just talk about them here, then they give an example. And with that, the safety proofs. Okay. For today, I have to stop here because I have to have some students I have to supervise. But then please do prepare for the cut, which will be on Friday the 3rd. Okay, Friday the 3rd, that will be the cut. And the assignment handing in date is now 10th. Is now 10th. So please just update anybody who did not attend today that the handing in date will be the 10th. Okay, it will be the 10th. So you can hand in via email, you can hand in physically. The cut or physical. The cut is going to be physical. Okay, the cut is going to be physical. We're beginning physical lectures next week from the 1st. So we shall have a physical lecture on the 1st. On the 1st physical lecture, even on the 3rd. Sorry, the cut will be on the 3rd physical. Okay, physical. I don't know if there are any other queries before. Any other queries? Okay, the cut is physical. Okay, right. I think there are no more queries from what I perceive. Okay, please just try to do your best. Yes, on Wednesday, that's the first physical lecture. On Wednesday, the 1st. We have intern in the afternoon. Okay. I'll discuss with Davis and see. So some of you have internship. In other words, some of you are at your internship places. during the lecture time? Hmm? Davis. But for the cat, that one, I won't do it physically on Friday, on the 3rd. Okay. Then I'm going to physical on Friday the 3rd. That one, please, you have to make time. For the other days of the lectures, let me see. I'll discuss with Davis when I get back to you. Okay. All right, everyone. Have a nice weekend. I hope and pray everyone is well. That's what is more important than even this, that you're well. Because if you're well, that's when you can be able to do all these things. If you're not well, then definitely you can't manage. Just stay well, stay safe. Don't do what you should not, you're not supposed to do. Okay. Life is short, so just be careful. All right. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.